Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Travel with Demonic. So today I will be showing you how to add subtitles to your YouTube video. So to add subtitle to your YouTube video, first of all what you have to do is you have to open a browser. For example, I have opened up Google Chrome. In Google Chrome you will be able to see YouTube, otherwise you can just type in youtube.com and hit enter. Once you're on your YouTube, you will be able to see your photograph here. You have to click on your photo and then go to the YouTube studio. Click on the YouTube studio. Once we click on the YouTube studio, you will be able to see this page over here on the left hand side. You have to see subtitles. Can you see the subtitle? Click on the subtitles. Now you will be able to see all your videos which you have uploaded till now. So I'm able to see all my videos which I have uploaded till now. And let's select this one, where to eat vegetarian food in Thailand. So I will click on this video and you will be able to see this screen. Once you're able to see this screen, you can click on add language. Suppose I want to do it in English because my video is in Hindi. So I will put English, India, because most of my audience is from India. So I will put English, India. Click on add. Now it will give you some options, for example, upload video file. So here, if you have already your captions available, you can just simply upload it here, auto sync or type manually. In our case, we will be typing manually everything to be a correct translation. So I click on type manually and you can see over here there's a blue bar which came up. If I write anything over here, it will be written down over here also, and in our video too. So now what I have to do, because I do not want my text to be in the starting of the video, so I will delete this caption. So you can see the blue bar is gone. Now I will play my video, make my sound mute for some time. So I need to basically check when I am speaking. You can see this bar is also going down and it will show you the sound indicators also when the sound is going up and down. So this video is playing. Let it play. Right now it's a background music which is playing. Alright, so now I will increase the sound so we can listen to what I'm saying.
So अब हम जा रहे हैं एक नाइट मार्केट नैन के साथ.
So I said like we are going to a night market with Nan. So if I want to edit here, I have said this word here. As you can see, the voice here. I will click on add caption. So we are going to a night market. That is what I said. If you want to correct the grammar, you can correct the grammar in here also. So I will leave it as it is. So you can see, so we are going to a night market. And I said with Nan. So you can see like my voice is still here. So what I can do, I can also drag it to keep it till here. And if you want to move it, you can move it also like this. So I will keep it here and let's again check if the subtitle come or not.
So अब हम जा रहे हैं एक नाइट मार्केट नैन के साथ घूमने थोड़ा.
See, it come. So this is how you can do it. If you want to put more, suppose here also I have speak, so you have to just click on caption and write. You can see the timing will automatically come here. And as like this, you can create many captions you want and just write down all the information on it. You can do it with other applications also. Okay, so what I will do, I will publish it now. If you want, you can save as a draft also. Once I publish, it will be shown to my viewers. So it has been added. It says publish. Same thing you can do with your title and description from this. You can just translate it and publish here. Now let's go to the YouTube and see if it has been done or not successfully. So I'm on my video. I will pause my video and play it from the place where I am talking.
So अब हम जा रहे हैं एक नाइट मार्केट.
So you can see, so we are going to a night market with Nan, means हम अब जा रहे हैं night market Nan के साथ. So it has been written down here in English. If you click on settings, you will be see English India has been added. You can do it with many languages you can. If your public is Thai, English, Hindi, any language, you can do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. My channel name is Travel with Demonic. Do subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.